Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my beloved brothers and sisters. I hope all of you are having a blessed Ramadan and that Allah continues to add barakah in all the good deeds that you are engaged in. I want to address an ongoing issue in our community that seems to have gotten even worse. We have received numerous complaints about unacceptable behavior in our community. That includes late night socializing, illegal setup of stalls, littering, noise disturbances, and antisocial behavior. This is mainly happening at night on Coventry Road, but also other areas. As Muslims, we have a responsibility to show good manners all the time, but especially during the month of Ramadan. Instead of engaging in such nonsense, we should focus on our ibadah. We should focus on taraweeh, qiyam, reciting Quran, making dhikr, and seeking out Laylatul Qadr. It is really concerning to hear that some of our sisters do not feel safe when leaving the masajid, and there have been accounts of clashes with local police. This is unacceptable, my brothers and sisters. So we urge all parents to advise their children and encourage them to spend their time productively during these last 10 nights of Ramadan or whatever is remaining from the month, and to be aware of their children's whereabouts to ensure that they are not engaging in any inappropriate activities. To all the business owners, please ensure that your activities are conducted within the law and they do not cause any harm or difficulty to the community. And to all the youth who are listening, please remember that you represent our community, and your behavior should reflect the values we uphold as Muslims. Do not waste away this Ramadan. Fear Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and be mindful of how you act and behave. Let us all remind ourselves of the words of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. وَتَعَاوَنُوا عَلَى الْبِرِّ وَالتَّقْوَى وَلَا تَعَاوَنُوا عَلى الْإِثْمِ وَالْعُدْوَانِ. Cooperate in righteousness and piety, but do not cooperate in sin and aggression. Finally, I want to reiterate that the vast majority of our community and congregation are outstanding individuals who are not involved in these activities. We all know this, alhamdulillah. However, we cannot ignore the behavior of a few that is causing a lot of distress to others. We urge anyone with information about any incidents to come forward and report it to the police. Let us work together hand in hand with the masajid, with the police and the rest of our community to ensure that everyone can observe whatever is remaining from this month in a peaceful and safe environment. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guide us all and help us embody the best character, the best akhlaq during this blessed month of Ramadan. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.